Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to block a character on Crushon AI. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Crushon AI app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Explore, Search, Create, Messages, and your profile. Stay on Explore and look for the characters. Once you find the character that you want to block, go ahead, open the character, then tap on their name from the top of the profile. Now from the top right corner, tap on the three-dot menu, then select Block from the menu appearing from the bottom of the screen. Once you do that, tap and block again from the screen and the character will be blocked. And guys, that's it. That's how you block a character on Crushon AI. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.